Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about Chargepoint today. I'm going to give you all a trading strategy, a new way as to how to view price movement without the confusion. So if today's your first time ever seeing my videos, my content, welcome. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I simply come through and look at the behavior aspects of the market, meaning that every time someone comes in and buys or sells a stock, it is recorded, and the price chart is the record of what everyone thinks about these stocks. It's not hard and it's not confusing. So once you understand how the market really works, you can actually see and try to predict where prices are going to go. Now, you guys can see right now in front of you, I didn't get my last one right. I get it. But I'm going to show you how you could minimize those losses and actually follow what the market is trying to say. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on my content. I keep it real. I'm not here to give you a lot of fluff, a lot of hype, a lot of fun, a lot of FOMO, because I know that that does not benefit you. Neither does it benefit me, especially as we're trying to come through and make some money. All right, so check this out. Did a video in Chargepoint on April the 3rd. Here it is. You guys can still see it. We had what, 2 days? That was it. 2 days for us to come through and bag some profitability out the market in Chargepoint. That was it. Since then, price in Chargepoint has gone down. So if you wasn't able to nibble off the bag in Chargepoint right here when price hit $21, that was 7%. We had 2 days to do it. That was it, just 2 days. This is how fast market moves in stocks. It moves fast. If you guys don't already have a plan, an exit strategy as to, okay, what price am I willing to take the profitability, you miss out. Yeah, now those who were looking for price and Chargepoint to go up is looking like, okay, now I just got to sit and hold the bag and wait until the opportunity that price comes back to where at least I can break even. This is why I don't play that game. I try to have a placeholder, a price to leave. Yeah, if I'm coming into the market, best believe I know when I'm going to leave. And it's not going to be a 15-year wait as like you're a tenant in someone else's house. This is what you're doing when you're a long-term holder. You're a tenant in the market. You're living and you're at the whim of whoever is controlling, whoever's the landlord of the market. You're at their whims. You're at their control. They move price and you sit back idly and cannot do anything about it because you want to stay in this environment for a long period of time. Think about that. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of this because the market went against me. Yeah, it didn't go the way I expected it to go. Price went straight down. Now, at what point would you just say, all right, cool, something is not right. Something is not right. If I was looking for the price and Chargepoint to go up, this day right here should have been one flag. One flag. Because this one day, you guys can see the spread of this bar literally erased the last 2 days worth of effort that the market tried to bring Chargepoint higher. It took 2 days for Chargepoint to go from what, $19.50 to 21. 2 days. And it took 1 day for it to come right back down. And then immediately the second day, like right here, April the 6th, this was a dead giveaway that the market is still massively weak in Chargepoint. So you have 2 days. You have what? April the 5th as well as April the 6th. 2 days to where price went down versus look at how many days it took Chargepoint to go up. So if we were to take the low from this bar here and go this way, and we take the high end of the second bar from March the 5th, you guys can see how many days it took for Chargepoint to go up, right? Look how many days it took Chargepoint to go up. It took that many days for Chargepoint to go from a low of $17.14 to a high of $20.99. All of these days was literally gone in 2. This is why you need to know where you're going to leave the market, because somebody was holding the stock expecting the market to continue to go higher in price, and in 2 days all of these people who bought Chargepoint is now in a losing position. Just that fast, just that quick. This tells you right here, April the 6th, you need to let it go. That was the day that you just said, I need to cut the play, because if I don't, I'm going to continue to increase my losses. And we don't want to do that. We want to increase our profits and minimize the losses. So that was the day right there. Okay. Because if you didn't get out on that particular day on the close, it's around 9.5%. You'll be down today 22.25 on the close of Friday or Thursday. All right, so let's talk about this. Now, quick question. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? Yeah, I think the price is coming down in Chargepoint right now. You see this? You see that, right? What happened recently in the market in Chargepoint lets us know that this downtrend is still intact. It is still here. So if you're trying to be bullish into the market in Chargepoint, you might need to reevaluate why you think you're trying to be bullish right now. Okay, you guys see that? I mean, let's run the play. If the market is in a downtrend, then guess what? It's in a downtrend. We're not going to try to come in and try to break the trend. We simply follow trend. So this is not a buyer's market. It's not. And you're going to see people tell you come in and buy these dips, and the market's in a complete downtrend. So you can be buying a whole lot of dips. It's what this chart is trying to reflect. Like, don't come in and buy this. The market is literally telling you, don't come in and buy this stock. It's down. The trend ends down. Look at how many times it got rejected right now. Look at that. It's being confirmed. Why would you think the price is going to go up when price is confirming a downtrend? It's beyond me. So that basis continues to confirm that price in Chargepoint is still weak. And not only that, look at this. This area once acted, this price level, $17.90, acted as support, right? Right here. It was acting as support here. Okay, let me zoom in and show you these things. Buyers were supporting the market in Chargepoint October 2021 at $18. They tried to do it again December 2021, holding $18. The buyers tried, but they fell. Buyers were able to reclaim that $18 price, brought it all the way up to the overall downtrend line, got rejected, came down. Buyers did not come in at $18. The buyers did not show up. That is how we can still know that the overall trend is weakness. People don't play around when it comes to money. They want to make money. Everybody who comes in has the expectation to make money. Everybody. Nobody comes into the market expecting to lose. Nobody. Now look at this. This is Chargepoint in 2 weeks, right? And you still see weakness, right? I'm looking at $14 for the market in Chargepoint to probably come down towards in the long term. Look at this on the 3 weeks. That's even worse. This kind of resembles that Chargepoint could come all the way back down to these lows that occurred on January 24, 2022 to $10. Look at that. 5 weeks. Like, why would you come through and try to buy this? It's still weak. It is still weak. So the weakness here on the chart is present. I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Chargepoint. I know you all probably want to hear that. You guys want everything to go up in price, but you need to understand that that is not the market. The market doesn't always work like that. It's all about timing as well too. So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Chargepoint, especially as price continues to trade below 18, preferably this downtrend. See, I really won't even care if the market in Chargepoint comes up, because I know that this downtrend is confirming the trend right now, the long-term trend. Okay, so I'm looking at $18, even this downtrend line, as areas to where I understand that price is still weak and price cannot break those levels to the upside. Okay, now my first price target is not that far, right? $14. I'll take 8%. I won't be greedy. I understand where I need to exit out. And $14 is the first spot. That's my first area. That gives us 8%. My second one is around 13. Gives us around 15.5%. I'm just going to take it all the way down to the lows of these bars here. Okay, right there. That's my third price target. This is around 24% movement to the downside, right? Now, long term, this is weak. Chargepoint has now signified that the trend is coming down as of this moment. We just need to see where the buyers are at. I'm looking at 14 first, $13 second, and like $11.50 third. And that's it. I'm done. So now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. What do you all think about Chargepoint? What is your trading strategy as to what you think the market's going to do? I've shown you mine. It wasn't hard. It wasn't complex. Keep it simple. All right. Check me out. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.